Hello my sweets, welcome back to Beauty Meets DIY. Thank you so much for watching. This is Helen. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe at home. So today I bring to you a pretty easy DIY. I'm just basically using what I have at home because obviously we're all inside now, so why not use our stash? So to start out, you're going to need 5 of these square plastic containers from the Dollar Tree, and you're also going to need 3 of these drawers. You're going to save the tops because you're going to use them later. What I did was that I grabbed just some, regular gift wrapping paper that I had at home for a while. You can use anything that you have, and I'm just going to line the back of all of my square containers. I'm going to glue them on. So throughout this project, once again, I recommend that you use your strongest glue. I noticed that these do come apart if you just use hot glue. So again, for long term, go ahead and use both. So I'm just stacking them one on top of the other, 2 on either side, and then our center piece right here. Guys, subscribe to my channel, please. I do notice that a lot of you do watch my channel, but I also notice that a lot of you are not subscribed, and I'm just wondering why. So if you do enjoy watching my channel and my videos, and you do want to be notified every time I post a video, it's really important that you do subscribe. And please keep coming, please keep those thumbs up coming. They really do help out my channel, and most importantly, they let me know that you enjoy my videos and you want more from me. So again, please do subscribe if you haven't, because I noticed that a lot of you are not. So now we're just continuing to glue everything together like so, and then coming up our center top square container, I'm not gonna apply a lot of glue up there because obviously you can see it. So I'm gonna discreetly, dab a little glue here and there where it's not that noticeable, mostly in the back. I'm just gonna glue that on because if I glue it in the center there, the glue is gonna show. And you notice that the back of the cabinets or the drawers do show, they stick out, but that doesn't bother me. So here again, I'm grabbing some styrofoam piece that I had at home with like a round piece of cardboard. And this mirrored paper, I will link it down below if you're interested. I do like it. I did line my drawers with that. And in that middle part, I really wanted to use a mirror from the Dollar Tree, but it just wasn't fitting right. It just wasn't going in. So I ended up once again using my reflective mirror paper. But later on you will see that I will embellish it in a different way. So now I'm just covering everything with my gold rhinestone wrap. And again, you guys, just using what I have. If you don't have a lot of these supplies, don't worry, just start creating your little DIY wish list, so that when we do get to come out, we can go ahead and stock up and create these. If not, I'm pretty sure you guys as crafters, we tend to have a lot of things at home. I'm sure there's something that you have. I'm pretty much giving you guys some inspiration. The rest you guys can get creative, which I've seen that a lot of you get so creative, and I'm so impressed with the things that you come up with, and I'm pretty sure that you can find something to create this with. So if you haven't figured it out right now, we are creating a perfume large perfume display / jewelry holder. You guys, I have an obsession with perfume bottles, in particular the Chanel one, for years now. Probably since my teens. If I can turn everything and anything in a perfume bottle, I probably will. Let me know if you're the same way down below, but I do love perfume bottles, and I just want to turn everything in a perfume bottle. I know it sounds silly, but that's what I like. Anyway, so here I have these square rhinestones, and I'm kind of just going to glue them on to just, give it a nice drawer pull. No, P-U-L-L. Sorry. You know what I mean. And then later on, I'm going to grab a smaller gold one, and I'm going to glue it on top just to embellish it a little more. So here again, I have a lot of gems, you guys, my stash. And I'm just going to go ahead and go crazy back there. I'm just going to glue randomly some pink pearls, white ones, my diamond, different shape gems. I'm just gluing it on. back there just to embellish that little wall. Because I mean, it's a reflective paper, it's nice and everything, but in the end it's just not a mirror, and that's kind of really what I wanted. So here on top I'm trying to create a bow, and so I grabbed those teardrop shaped gems and gluing them on, and then some other ones, and just kind of, you know, making it look like a bow. So now we're going to go ahead and use our tops to our containers, and again, use your strongest glue, you guys. And I just decided to create some kind of a storage box. You can use it, so versatile, for flowers or to store your makeup brushes. A lot of makeup brushes. They're a pretty big box, but I do like these, and I think I'm going to use them more for upcoming DIYs. Just kind of separate them from the base and then use this for something else, and it just creates a little perfect acrylic looking little box. And so you're just going to join them at the seam there together, like so. And if you see that little, it has like a little middle indent there. I'm kind of using that as a guide to place my little pearl in the center there. And I'm going to do that for all 4 sides. Oh my gosh, you guys, here I'm just trying to grab my gem, and it's just a nightmare. If you guys, I need to invest in one of those little gem pickup tools. So if you guys know of any, please suggest one down below, because it's really ridiculous. So anyway, here I'm just creating a bow like I did on the perfume bottle container thingy, and I'm going to do that for all 4 sides. It looks like a bow to me. It just depends on how you look at it. It might look like a butterfly to you. I don't know, but I am making it look like bows. So here, this mirror from the Dollar Tree, these are the smaller ones. They used to be bigger before, but they're smaller now. That one fits perfectly there as a base. And so for our last DIY, we're using an extra drawer container that I had. And you're going to go ahead and do away with the middle. The center, you can use that for another DIY if you like, but we're just going to use the outer container for today. So you want to go ahead and do away with those little felt thingies that are in the back of your mirror, so it sits flush to your container. Now this container has these edges that, these ridges that pop out. You want to use that side. You want to use the one that sticks out so that you can create a little gap between your mirror and the container, if that makes sense. So now I'm just grabbing one of these medium-sized popsicle sticks, if that's what you call them, and I'm just gluing 4 of these square gems across, and then at the end I'm just going to snip off the ends or the excess on either side. And so now for this part, I'm going to grab this other popsicle sticks and glue it in the back, and I'm going to glue underneath another one of those little square gems as well. So yeah, guys, just go ahead and use whatever you guys have at home. I did go ahead and embellish the back of this, and now you want to find the center point of your mirror, and then you're going to go ahead and glue it on. And if you haven't figured it out by now, I am creating, you guessed it, another perfume bottle inspired container. And this one I'm going to use for my makeup brushes, but this is just very versatile. You can use this, let's say you have a desk, you can use this as part of your stationery. You can place your pencils in there, your pens, crafting pencils, whatever it is that you have. It's just, it doesn't have to be for makeup brushes. And I'm just covering the back there right now. And so now I have these kind of like baguette oblong, you know, gems that I found at Joann's, I believe. I found them at Joann's. And I'm just finishing off the edges with these, and I'm just going to go all around just to kind of give it a more finished look and just kind of cover the gap, the small gap that's between the mirror and the container. And coming right up now, I'm just going to show you how everything turned out. I think these 3 DIYs were fairly simple if you ask me. And this is it, you guys. This is our oversized perfume bottle inspired perfume holder slash jewelry holder. That's a tongue twister, but yeah, that's what it is. And then in the bottom there, you can see that I placed 2 of the Dollar Tree mirrors, just if you want to kind of make your space a little, you know, bigger down there to display things, you know, if you will. And so yeah, I really love the way that it turned out. The striped paper in the back kind of is giving me that Victoria's Secret vibe. And here is the makeup brush holder. I think it's pretty unique. I've never seen anything like it before. I really do love the way that turned out. And our little flower container, you will see that coming up. I did fill it up with pearls pretty much all the way to the top. And I think it's so pretty. I added some fairy lights, and yeah, I do love the way that it turned out. But I, as always, want to hear your thoughts on it. Let me know if this is something that you like. If you ask anybody, you guys, I'm pretty much a girly girl. Not over the top, but I do like girly things. So let me know if this is something that you would recreate. Let me know what your thoughts are. And as always, I appreciate every single one of you. I hope that you are all staying positive and healthy and safe. And I will see you very soon on my next DIY. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, everyone.